The internet has come a long way, thankfully. The early days of the internet were an adventure. For IT admins and developers everywhere, Internet Explorer was your doorway to the World Wide Web. Those first websites you built and managed ran on IE, introducing customers to the power of the internet. And IE grew with you as you developed more powerful apps. But progress never stops. Today, Microsoft Edge is the one browser you need for all your apps, with the IE compatibility you need built into the latest modern browser, so your business is ready for all the web has to offer. As we say goodbye to the past, the future is bright, because the future of IE is in Microsoft Edge. Learn more at aka.ms/IE mode.